Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm S. Ravi Kumar, a certified solution architect and IT career coach. In this video, we'll be talking about version control systems or source control systems. So let's get started. Has this happened to you ever that you are working on some code and used one way of doing it, and then after some time you got to know that okay, there is another way of doing it, so you delete that code and you write it new way, but then you realize that the old way is the correct one. What will you do in that scenario? Worry not. To solve this problem, there are tools available in the market. Those tools are called source control tools or version control tools. So let me explain you in a better way with the help of a PPT. So according to Wikipedia, source or version control is the management of changes to documents, computer programs, large websites and other collection of information. You can see from the link which I have given here, and I'll give that link in the description also. So I have added to this in that, and the software which let you do these activities are called source or version control systems. So what they do is like they keep a history of your code so that if you do any changes or if you delete those changes, somehow you can retrieve them back. So let's see what are the different type of version control system available in the market. There are basically two types of version control system. The first one is centralized version control system. This was the version control system with which everything started. So this was the one which was used from the beginning. So where it is based on the client server model, where everything, your source control like source code and all the other files are kept on the server. You check out the code and you do your changes and then you check in the code. So the problem with this was that it was dependent on if you do any changes which basically breaks the build, so other person has to fix those changes, or either he has to take it from the history of the code. Okay, so there are some other problems also. We won't go into detail. It is just an introduction. The second type of version control system is the distributed version control systems. This came a few years back, and this is the one which is taking the market with the storm. And nowadays, most popular vendors use these version like distributed version control system, where the clone of the whole source code is copied on developer machine or on in the account of developer on the server, and from there the developer works in it, and then he submits a pull request and the code review and everything. So basically this distributed version control systems help managing the software development lifecycle in a better way. So it is getting more popular day by day. Let me give you some examples of these two types of version control systems. So let's see a few examples of centralized and decentralized version control systems. When we talk about centralized version control system, the most popular ones which comes into mind of any Microsoft developer is Team Foundation Server, because Team Foundation Server is like given by it's developed by Microsoft. It was licensed by Microsoft, and it was pretty popular with the companies which were working on Microsoft technology. So this was the one. Then CVS was also there, and CVS is like these Team Foundation servers and CVS, and then SVN is also there. So these centralized version control systems are still used in some places, but Team Foundation server is the most popular one in Microsoft technologies when we talk about people working on Microsoft technologies. So let's talk about distributed version control systems. So when we talk about distributed version control system, the most popular distributed version control system is Git. Git is basically a distributed version control system engine. So it's basically an engine, and there are many products based on Git. The most popular one is GitHub, then there is Bitbucket, then there is Team Foundation Team Foundation Git system. So there are many product based on Git, and it is the most popular one. I'll give you example of Git in next slides. Typically I named them already. So then there is Mercurial. I haven't worked on it, but I got to know about this from internet. And then there is Monotone. I really don't know what is Monotone, by the way, but it is like as when I did search about distributed version control systems, this name came up. So I don't know whether people are using it or not, but the most popular distributed version control system I know about is Git. So as I have mentioned earlier also, the popular Git implementation are GitHub, which you can go on github.com. Then there is Bitbucket, which you can use by going on bitbucket.org. And then there is Team Foundation server Git version. So if you create a Team Foundation server account, like you can create, now I think it's named as Azure DevOps. So if you go for Azure DevOps, Git option is there in Azure repos. Okay, so these are three of the popular implementation of Gits. There are many others, but these three are most popular one, I would say. GitHub is the very most popular because it is being used by many open source projects. Now it is acquired by Microsoft also, so people are using it and many open source projects are available on Git. So my suggestion for any aspiring developer would be to register for any register for a free account in any of these, like GitHub being the most popular one. Register for there, even I have an account there. And then you can like keep a backup of your source code, or you can use the source code with use source code of other people. You can fork them, you can contribute to open source projects. So my suggestion would be to learn about these and work on these. So this was a brief introduction about what is version control systems, what are the types of version control systems, and which all version control systems and softwares are currently available in market, and which are the popular ones. Whatever version control systems I have mentioned in this video, I have given link to all those version control systems in the description of the video. You can go and follow along, or if you want to use them, you can go ahead and use them, or learn how to use them. Probably I'll be coming up with a few more videos where I'll be giving you practical example of how to use GitHub with Visual Studio, and another example of how to use Bitbucket with Visual Studio, because these are the two popular ones currently used by many teams. I hope you like this video, and if you want to watch more such video, do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.